Hi, this is Patrick Gould from Software AG Government Solutions. Bob Jeffcott and I would like to present to you this short video and show you how easily you can expose mainframe TN3270 green screen transactions as REST APIs to your modern low-code applications or other REST API consumers. You can see the architecture of this video where on the right of the drawing we record the transaction. We then REST API enable the green screen transaction with webMethods ApplinX in the middle of the drawing, and lastly expose the REST API for use by any REST API consumer on the left of the drawing. We will now demonstrate this process to you. The first thing we do is to record the green screen transactions with the ApplinX software. This is achieved by using webMethods ApplinX to connect to the mainframe via 3270 and execute the transaction path, and it will then be recorded at that same time. We will then use ApplinX to connect to the recording file and actually start creating the API. The process automatically identifies screens and steps with ApplinX software from the transaction recording. We then create a path procedure for the screens in the screen transaction we want to REST API enable. This entails defining the input and mapping output fields for the path procedure with the ApplinX software. We can then make these procedure paths part of a procedure group. We then deploy the procedure groups to the webMethods Integration Server as REST resources. This requires setting up the Java package that will host the connection properties, the flow of the API, etc. You can now use Integration Server to test the API by running the flow as a service. This is good for troubleshooting before you actually publish the API for outside consumption. To do this, you right-click on the flow in the package and run it as a service. You then provide all the required input data and your results will be returned to you within Integration Server. And lastly, we can now test the REST API just created with a tool like Postman to show it is ready for consumption by REST API consumers in your business model. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and hope to see you using ApplinX soon. Thank you.